Hey everyone! Welcome back to UZR Tube, where we uncover the mysteries behind dog behavior. Have you ever been playing with your dog and suddenly they bite your hand? It might have felt playful, or maybe it caught you off guard. But here's the shocking truth: it's not just random. Today, we're going to reveal what it really means when your dog bites your hand and what you should do about it. Trust me, some of these reasons will surprise you. Let's dive right in. Starting with the most common reason, playful nipping. If your dog bites your hand gently, especially during a game or playtime, it's often their way of playing with you. Dogs use their mouths to interact with the world, and this includes you. Puppies, in particular, will explore and play with their mouths because they don't have hands like we do. While this type of bite is generally harmless, it's important to teach your dog bite inhibition. That way, they learn how to control their mouth and bite pressure. The goal is for your dog to know that hands aren't toys, even if they're just playing around. At number 2, your dog might be biting your hand because they're seeking attention. If you're distracted or not giving them the attention they want, some dogs might resort to biting your hand to grab your focus. It's their way of saying, "Hey, look at me." If they're bored or feeling neglected, a light bite might be their signal for you to interact with them. To avoid reinforcing this behavior, make sure you're giving your dog enough mental and physical stimulation. Regular playtime, exercise, and interactive toys can help prevent attention-seeking behaviors like hand biting. Coming in at number 3, overexcitement. Dogs can get a little carried away when they're excited, whether it's during play, meeting new people, or even when they're about to go for a walk. Sometimes, that excitement manifests as a bite on your hand. They're not trying to hurt you. They're just so thrilled they can't contain themselves. When this happens, it's important to teach your dog how to calm down. You can redirect their energy to a toy or use commands like sit or stay to help them focus and relax. Number 4 is specifically for puppies, teething. Just like human babies, puppies go through a teething phase where they feel discomfort in their gums. Biting on things, including your hands, helps relieve that discomfort. While this is a natural part of growing up, it's important to direct that chewing toward appropriate toys instead of your hands. Giving your puppy chew toys designed for teething can help soothe their gums and keep them from turning your hand into their favorite chew toy. At number 5, your dog might be biting your hand because they're trying to communicate stress or discomfort. If your dog is feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or in an uncomfortable situation, they might bite as a way of telling you something's wrong. This bite is often more forceful than playful nipping and could be accompanied by other signs of stress, like growling, backing away, or showing the whites of their eyes. If you notice your dog biting in stressful situations, it's important to pay attention to their body language and figure out what's triggering their discomfort. This is their way of telling you they need help or space. Coming in at number 6 is a more serious reason: testing boundaries or dominance. While rare, some dogs may bite to test their place in the pack or to challenge authority. This type of biting tends to be more assertive and is often paired with dominant body language. If you suspect your dog is biting to test boundaries, it's essential to establish clear rules and assert yourself as the leader in a calm but firm way. Positive reinforcement training is key to ensuring your dog knows their role and respects boundaries. At number 7, your dog might be biting your hand out of protective instincts. Dogs are naturally protective of their owners, and in certain situations, they may bite as a way to shield you from what they perceive as a threat. This could happen if they feel someone or something is invading their space or threatening you. If your dog bites out of protectiveness, it's important to work on socialization and training so they learn how to handle different situations calmly without resorting to biting. Number 8 might surprise you. Medical issues. If your dog is suddenly biting your hand more often, it could be due to pain or discomfort that you're not aware of. Dogs experiencing pain from conditions like arthritis, dental problems, or even injury might bite as a reaction to being touched in a sensitive area. If your dog's biting behavior is out of the ordinary, it's worth getting them checked out by a vet to rule out any underlying medical issues. And finally, number 9, lack of proper training. Sometimes dogs bite simply because they haven't been trained to know better. If biting behavior isn't addressed early on, it can become a bad habit that's harder to break later. Puppies and young dogs in particular need to be taught appropriate behavior around hands and people. The good news, it's never too late to start training. With positive reinforcement and consistency, you can teach your dog what's okay and what's not. And there you have it, the real reasons why your dog might be biting your hand. Whether it's playfulness, stress, or just a lack of training, understanding your dog's behavior is the first step in correcting it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UZR Tube for more tips on dog behavior and training. Has your dog ever bitten your hand, and do you know why? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.